it's difficult because I think of myself as a realist. And so I always want to have realistic representation in my stories. And I think, even though I say magic is about power and all kids should have a chance to see how they would wield power, quite often when you've been vulnerable or marginalized or oppressed by people with power, you don't know how to use power responsibly. Like, it's something you have to learn. And so that's been, I think, a big part of writing fantasy for me, is not just magic wand, you can do whatever you want to do. Like there's more of a complicated psychological process to it, and a sense of responsibility and risk. And I know I often hear from editors, oh, but it's too sad. And that came up with Dragon Thief, even Dragons in a Bag, rather. But I like what Ramón Saldívar had to say, which is that fantasy isn't a way for many people of color to escape from reality, but a way to engage with it more deeply, and a way to find justice within a past that has not been just for many of us.